Hi, this is ITR Tech Support with another video tutorial for Google Chrome. Sometimes when you're either on the site, you'll see bits that are out of line or out of shape or whatever, or in the video meetings you'll get crackled audio, crackled video, or well, we ask you to do this all the time, so we're going to show you how to empty temporary internet files correctly for ITR, because it's automatic software that empties temporary files, misses a couple of these. So first thing we're going to do is, we're on ITR, it's going a bit funny, so we go up to the menu bar, top right hand corner, the icon there, the three dots. We go down to more tools and we clear browsing data. We need to make sure this box is clicked on advanced. Basic looks like that, advanced is like that. Then the first thing is time range. We need to make sure that it says all time in the time range. We don't need to get rid of browsing history and download history, but one of the things we do have to get rid of is cookies and other site data and cached images and files. We don't want to get rid of your passwords or your autofill form data, and we do want to get rid of your content settings, your hosted app data and your media licenses. Once you've done that, you've got those set, you click clear data. That little icon there will spin around while it's doing it, and then it will return to your settings page. Once you're there, you can close that settings page now, and you'll need to reload your ITR page. If you hold down the shift key whilst you're clicking on the refresh icon, it'll force it to get the stuff. You see, it's logged me out, but my username and password is still there, so I'll sign in. Everything's fresh there now, but to refresh it properly, put your finger on the shift key, and whilst you're there on the refresh icon, keeping hold of that shift key, press it and let go of the shift key. And that's how to clear your temporary internet files and do a refresh. Thank you.